couple years ago, I got diagnosed with a neuroendocrine pancreatic cancer, which whenever you hear the big C word, it's pretty scary. So I was looking for alternatives to cancer treatments. So we found a place in Arizona, and we went out to this place called Brio Medical Clinic in Arizona. I spent 2 months there learning a lot of things about alternative medicines for cancer and cancer treatments, and one of those being hyperbaric. So what we had to do when they told us as we were leaving was we had to try to recreate the Brio experience wherever we lived. For some of the patients who were from places like deep Montana, it was very, very challenging. But here in Norfolk, oddly enough, there was a hyperbaric chamber. So I called them and told them my diagnosis, and they set me up, and I landed here. I think I've got over 200 dives, and at one time, oddly enough, I had to have some surgery. So when after the surgery, I came in, the doctors told me it would be about 4 to 6 weeks recovery time. So I came in and dove every day for like a week. And when I did that, the healing time was greatly reduced. And to the surprise of them, within a week to 2 weeks, I went back in to see them, and they're like, wow. So it's kind of interesting. So you could tell that the hyperbaric was working on that healing process. The scans, I have to get scans. They were doing them every 6 months, but it had slowed. The growth had slowed. It had become more stable. So they've got me down to once a year. Before, I had pain in my abdomen, where if you touched my liver or anything, it was pretty bad. But that has gone away. So right now, as a cancer survivor, surviving survivor, stable is a good word. You'll take stable any day of the week. I do know that it has had amazing healing properties.